Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at this. Oh, let me move my finger so you can see the name of it. The JJRC Infake. I don't know how they came up with that name, the Infake. Infake. I don't know. It's a quadcopter that looks like a plane. Yeah. And it's even got wheels on it, as you see down there. See them? See them wheels? Yeah. It comes in two colors. It comes in the blue and the yellow. I have the blue one. And let's take a look at it. All right, guys. Here, blah, blah. All right, guys. Here's what you get in the box. It's a very minimal type thing here. So you get a little manual. You get a little peanut transmitter with the 3 AAA batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. It doesn't come with them. Here's your power. There's your takeoff button, and if you hold it in, it'll emergency stop. There's your flips. There, and here's your trim right here. So I'm suspecting it's one of them where you hold the button in and move one of these to do the trim. You know, it's going to be one of them deals. Here's the little charger. Just a little USB charger. Here's the spare props and the prop tool. And then here's the quadcopter itself with the little wheels on there I was telling you about. See them right there. The battery goes down in here. Right there. It plugs in right there. And then there's an on and off switch, which is nice. I like when they put an on and off switch on there. That's pretty cool. There's a little light there in the front. See that? That's pretty neat. So yeah, I'm liking it. I bet you it flies pretty good. It's JJRC, so you know their reputation for making things that fly decent is pretty good. So I'm gonna say that this thing will probably fly good, even though it's a little bit on the odd looking. Reminds me of that little surfer guy, so it may fly actually, may be very nimble like that. I don't know. I haven't flown it yet, so. And then here's your battery right here. You got a 500 milliamp one cell battery right here, 3.7. So, yeah, 500 in there ought to get you at least 6 minutes or so, you know. So, yeah. All right, that's about it for that thing, right? So let's go upstairs and fly it. We're up here with the JJRC Infake. I don't know how they came up with this name. It's very bizarre. But you know what? Let's fly it and see if it flies. Let's do that. That's what we're supposed to be doing. We don't make up the names. There's the level calibration down and to the right. There's the second rate. Okay, so it only has 2 rates. Boy, does that thing sound like it's straining or what? Flips work. It doesn't, well, I guess it's okay. It's not that fast, you know, the 2 rates thing is not helping this thing at all. I mean, I get that it's supposed to be a plane or something, but boy, those motors sound like they're just straining away.
The range on it seems pretty decent. I'm not losing any bind over there. You know, it's like 50 feet away or whatever, so at least you know it'll go in the whole backyard. And then that blue light, it's easy to tell which way you're going. It actually flies like a plane. It doesn't fly like a quadcopter. Up, so it's already not doing the flips, so the battery's already on its way out. I'll be honest, I really wouldn't recommend buying this thing. It's just not that much fun. It really needed a little bit more speed to have any kind of fun with it. Okay, there goes the lights flashing. So it's going to be landing up here in a second. I'll put the flight time in there in the little clock. Those wheels spin. I can't get it. I think I bumped it a little too hard. Kind of scared the crap out of me there. Okay, here's another one of the overly long, low battery warnings. You know, it's not going to take you 5 minutes to get it back home. There it goes. All right, I guess you can run it around on the ground if you wanted, but I didn't want to do that up here. I thought it was going to tip forward, hitting all that stuff. It's not smooth. It's smooth, but it has those ridges in there. All right, guy, there you go. JJRC Infake. It says right on there, drone. It's a drone, okay. All right, guys, have a nice day.